Hello Calgary and welcome to Maclin Ford. My name is Tim and I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day today. Today I'm showing off this magnetic metallic 2020 Ford F-150 4x4 SuperCrew. In the XLT trim, this F-150 comes packed with a 301A equipment group as well as a 5.0 liter V8 engine. Some of the more notable features of this F-150 include a powered driver's seat, cruise control, Bluetooth, remote start, an automatic start and stop, this touch display screen for easy access to the controls for your audio systems, various vehicle settings, as well as the display for your backup camera, air conditioning to keep your ride as comfortable as possible, 2 USB ports to keep your mobile devices charged. The second row features a split folding bench seat for easy conversion from passenger to cargo use. Thanks for watching. There is more to show you about this Ford F-150 than I can show you in this quick video, and we would love to show you in person. So for more information, go ahead and click that link below in the description. And you do get to choose whether you want to come visit us in person at our store or if you want us to bring this F-150 out to you at your Calgary area home or office. And have yourself a great day.